Yo, what it do, YouTube? It is the Only Carter. Welcome back to another exciting video. As y'all can see in the title of this video, yes, it's talking about Coachella, and let me explain to you guys what has happened on this beautiful day. As y'all can see, it is a nice, exciting day outside. It's very warm. I'm at the beach right now, so let me explain to you guys what happened. So I was supposed to go to Coachella this weekend, or yeah, today, but I had to cancel. I had to tell my boy John. He gave me tickets in California. It's in California this year. I had to cancel because something has came up, so I will not be attending. But just because I didn't make it to Coachella, we're still gonna do a POV drive for you guys, and hopefully, if there's some type of like vibe, or there's some type of, you know, party, we're gonna try to pop out, you know, so I can show you guys that experience, you know, a little Coachella type of party, you know what I'm saying? But if I would have went to Coachella, that would have been amazing. I would have been having so much fun right now, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so let's hop into this video, and hopefully you guys do enjoy. You know, I will just you know, I probably got a couple more days here, so I can't get a car wash because of the pollen. The pollen's always gonna come back. So either today I will wash my car. If not, I'll probably do it sometime next week because it's gonna rain on Sunday. But hopefully y'all do, you know, I know y'all can't see me, but hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Subscribe, make sure you guys do subscribe. In today's video, we're gonna be driving my 2025 Toyota Camry SE all-wheel drive, 232 horsepower, black edition, right? So everybody's at Coachella right now, partying, having fun. So instead of sitting around, I'm gonna just start driving. So let's see where this day ends up. You know what I'm saying? So let's hop into this video. Later on, I will be capturing the sunset going down. So that should be a win-win. Today I was working on my portfolio page for my website, for my capstone. If I was really down, I was gonna give you guys a sunrise POV, but it was too early. I only had 2 hours of sleep working on this project. Been working on it for I'll say like 16 hours straight. I did take breaks though, but yeah, I was not gonna lie. If I was in Coachella right now, I would have definitely dropped the video, but it was not gonna be a POV drive. It was probably gonna be like some type of party or some type of collab, or you know what I'm saying. But if I was able to go, boys and girls, y'all, I would have been enjoying myself right now. But ain't no problem. We still gonna do a POV drive for y'all, and we're just gonna see where the day takes us, you know. If it's a party or not, we're still gonna vibe, you know what I'm saying, twin? How y'all been? How y'all been feeling? Last video is doing pretty good in numbers right now. We're just gonna keep running up content for you guys, so hopefully you guys do enjoy. It's extremely scorching outside. Also, I want to mention to you guys, in the summertime, I hit up my boy. He will be dropping his clothing brand. The sample is gonna be sweet. I think you guys will love it. I will collab with him too, but he has confirmed that he would love to do some more cruise videos, any type of videos. Probably not gonna do cut up because we already did one, and that one did extremely well on YouTube. So I will be doing a collab with him, the Kia K4. He's eventually about to get a new car in the next 2-3 years. Don't know yet. I gotta keep it a surprise for y'all. But yeah, hey, I want to let y'all know, listen, one thing, if you're trying to get into YouTube, it's really simple. Just get yourself a camera, a head mount, chest mount, or something, and just create content. Whatever you like to do, just do it, man. Just post. It's really easy. YouTube's free. You know, it's gonna take time to build subscribers. You gotta build a niche. You gotta build some type of like platform that's really good. You gotta start posting, create a schedule for yourself, you know what I'm saying? It's really not hard. It's really easy. You just gotta stay dedicated and commit to the grind, you know what I'm saying? It's very, very simple. I'm not gonna put my head mount on. I'm just gonna hold it. I feel like I enjoy it like this. Yeah. Oh, check out the horses. Y'all see that? Yo, yo! That's pretty sweet. Oh my God, that car's trashed. It is currently 83 degrees. Muddy. It's pretty hot. But if you guys would like, I could drop down my schedule on how I used to create videos. You know, every month I would post like maybe 4 or 5 videos a month. But, you know, I gotta hit harder than that. You know, I'm gonna try to push for maybe 8 videos every month after graduation, because, you know, I'm still in school. Got a couple more days. I think it's maybe like 19 days, 18 days. So, yeah. Pretty excited, boys. Oh, in the summer as well, I will be starting a series as well, such as going around talking to other people about their cars, what they like about their car, what have they done to their cars. You know, is there anything that you can give advice to a small content creator like myself, theOnlycarter? So I'm going to be doing that, revs, drifts. I don't know about drifts, but, you know, the cars back home is amazing where I'm from. But over here, it's chill. You know what I'm saying, boys? Oh. So yeah, we're just gonna get this video out for you guys, and I hope you guys do enjoy. And if you guys do enjoy these videos, let me know in the comments so we can keep doing some more. Once it rains, I'm gonna probably get a video out for you guys, because my rainy videos do really well. Or I mean, honestly, I can do a rainy ASMR. It don't even really matter. I'm gonna go to my crib real quick. Once I get to my crib, I'm gonna stop it, and then we gonna see if this party is lit or not. If it is, we gonna check it out real quick, and then we probably gonna slide, you know what I'm saying? Yo, who mans is this gang? Oh, bro, his car is so bad they're pushing it? Nah. They really get on the highway? Bro, there's no way they're about to get on the highway. Yo, you straight?
Yeah, I'm good, man. Appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem. Dang, I feel bad for him, man. On my last video, that Jeep 345, never heard of that. That's probably maybe a custom. He probably straight piped the car. It sounded nice, but it just came out of nowhere, you know what I'm saying? I gotta get some more car friends, you know? I don't really got many car friends out here. I got a couple dudes back home, they got some cars. Like the KK4 guy, his name's Ty. But I've been telling him, I've been trying to put him on to YouTube, but he low-key been selling. But I can definitely show you guys once he drops. Hey, no glaze, his clothing brand's low-key kind of hard. Like, it's pretty hard. Hey, we all doing great things in life. The ultimate goal is to hit 100K subscribers and just branch out in different you know, cars. I'm gonna give you guys a spoiler real quick. Your boy in the summer might make a video with the Scat Pack. Wide body sounds beautiful. If I can, y'all, I will give you guys that video. Now, if I do blow that video up, man, come on, y'all, Scat Pack, man. We're gonna be sliding. It's gonna be fun. Enjoy yourselves this summer, because I will. You know, I'm gonna be having so much fun. Hopefully I get that internship. I still gotta hear back from the WNBA. It's almost time. From the end of April, I will hear back. If not, if I don't get it, it's cool. We still gonna do more job applications. I have 2 jobs lined up after graduation. But the ultimate goal is to work in the WNBA. One of my friends, or my sister's friends, is about to be #1 WNBA prospect maybe in the next 2-3 years. She's about to graduate from high school. IMG right now. She used to play at Laurel, but now she just finished the All-American McDonald's thing, so good for her, you know. She thinks she's better than me, but she not. She will always get dropped off at the end of the day. But yeah, it's all love. I got so many ideas for you guys. It just takes a little more time, you know what I'm saying, y'all? Sweet. Gotta wait for this goofy. Damn, chat, I can't believe we about to get out of here. Hey, it's really only, honestly, it's only the beginning. I'll say the beginning was college for real, like freshman year, but like we actually about to be in the real world. We're about to be a big content creator, y'all. If you've been loyal since day one, I'm gonna bless y'all one day, for real. But once we hit 50K, or once we hit 10K, it's up from there. We just need one legendary video, like a legendary scar. We just need that to hit the charts, and then we up there. We up there, y'all. We gonna be up there. Once I get more comfortable vlogging, we gonna be straight, you know what I'm saying? Gonna be straight. Twizz gang, for real. Hey, maybe I can make a little channel for you guys called Twizz gang. You know, if you're not part of the Twizz, I advise you to stay out of it, you know what I'm saying? Yo, YouTube, bruh, just heard that there's about to be heads at this party, so I'm about to go slide back up on this party. Now, if there actually is heads, bruh, I'm gonna slide there for a bit, and then that's gonna be the end of this video. I'm gonna make sure that I get that sunset view for you guys, and then that's gonna be pretty much it of the video. Like I said, if I was able to go to Coachella, I would have showed y'all. That would have been perfect. So yeah. Oh my god, there's actually heads up here. Actually, gang, bro, dude, what is this? Chat, what is this? Gang, this is not even something, bro. Like, bro, they just did that, bro. People are just standing around, gang. This is, nah. This is not no Coachella. Oh no, this is bad. Alright, yo, chat. I'm gonna catch you. Make sure you guys do subscribe. I'm gonna catch you on the next one, alright?